If anyone asks fulfill your wish, tell me what is your wish?
Well, answer another wish.
Take that also. Yeah, nature also. Silas?
Ma'am, I will answer one.
Come friend
Hit
again.
the ground.
Yeah. You? Mama, I want big. What? Come this side.
Ma'am, I want a big ventilation. Ma'am, I want a big car. Ma'am,
Let's take care from this side.
I want big building.
Big building. Okay.
Ma'am,
Then.
Ma'am, I want big racing car.
Racing car.
I want big racing bike.
Racing bike.
I want to be president of India.
President of India. Okay. Then Janavi? Huh?
I want a rabbit.
Huh? Rabbit. Okay. Magic man. This is not good. It is not coming later. Bolo Masania. Okay. Then Tanisha.
Ma'am, I want
Peacock. You.
Ma'am, I want to go in metro train.
Metro train.
Ma'am, I want to become army officer.
Next you.
I want
Huh? Palace. Okay. Yeah. बताओ तुम्हारी क्या इच्छा है? Like afterwards, Suleiman will ask you. Whispered.
What is that?
So I will ask you just tell me which is there for you. I will fulfill that. मुखिया ने कहा, महाराज मैं अपने सभी साथियों से सलाह करने के बाद अपनी इच्छा बताऊंगा. So principal will come and tell you, your class is so well decorated, so I'll give one prize to you. You ask any whatever you want, you ask like that. Principal will say. And that time, ma'am will ask for leader. Okay. So your class is very nice, na? So you ask anything, I'll give like that. So Saurabh should tell his own wish. What you want to tell? Class decoration all girls, no? So you have to ask for all. So then Saurabh will tell, no ma'am, I'll discuss first with my friends. Afterwards I'll tell answer like that only. Here the Kudus will tell, no, we are able to, so I will discuss with our friends. Afterwards we'll come and tell you what we want. Then मुखिया ने साथियों से सलाह करने के बाद कहा, महाराज यह वरदान दीजिए कि हमारे सिर पर आज से सोने की कलगी निकल आए. कैसे कलगी निकल आए? सोने की कलगी. Like birds are there, no? Here they are asking one golden crown. They are asking here we want one golden crown. So that Buddha was first like this only. After they asking which they got for crown and the next. मुखिया बोला, बादशाह हंस करे और बोले, मुखिया इसका फल क्या होगा? या तुमने सोचा है? You are asking one crown on your head, no? After you are getting this one, what will happen? You know, like that you will ask. Suleiman will tell, okay, I'll give that kalgi, I'll give that stone. After you are getting this stone, what will happen? You know, like that you will ask to the मुखिया बोला, हाँ महाराज मैंने खूब परामर्श करके यह वर मांगा है. Yes, we know what will happen in future day. You give that one letter to us. सुलेमान ने प्रार्थना स्वीकार कर ली. Okay, you will tell, okay, I'll give. सभी उद्दूतों के सिर पर सोने की कलगी निकल आई. क्या निकल आई? सोने की कलगी निकल आई. लोगों ने सोने की कलगी को देखा तो वे उद्दूतों के पीछे पड़ गए. When all the people will see that birds have flown under, said that all people will find that bird and they are killing that bird and they will take crown. After crown, what will they do?
They will get gold and silver.
They will get gold. That's why they are killing that bird. The people are starting to kill the bird. So, Kududon के पीछे पड़ गए. Tease means there is a arrow. Arrow. They'll take arrow. सुलेमान के पास पहुंचा और बोला, इस सोने की कलगी के कारण तो हमारा वंश ही समाप्त हो जाएगा। क्या बोल रहा है वहाँ पे? और फैमिली नंबर्स में डिक्रीजिंग, सो वी डोंट वांट दिस कलगी टू रिमूव दिस वन। सुलेमान ने कहा, मैं तो शुरू में ही तुम्हें चेतावनी दी थी। So when you ask this question, that time only I told you to don't want to throne, but you only told me nothing will happen. कह जाओ, आज से तुम्हारे सिर का ताज सोने का नहीं सुंदर फलों का हुआ करेगा। So from today onwards, the kalgi will be there like that, only the throne will be there like that, but it is not gold, but it is feathers, like feathers is there, no, so bird that one रहेगी। नेक्स्ट, सुंदर फलों का हुआ करेगा। फलों में फल, सुंदर फलों का हुआ करेगा और तभी से उन के सिर पर फलों का यह ताज शोभा पा रहा है। So from